Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Selena 101Q. In the spirit of Halloween, I am going to allow my Animoji of myself to narrate this video, and it's a bustier tutorial. You guys love these kind of videos, and I know you guys are gonna like this one, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start off with the Carnival bra. That's the brand that she loved to use. We also need the gem tag glue. Okay, so all of these are going to be in the description down below, like she always says. Next thing we need is a pair of scissors. Alright, so that's like very common. We're gonna need rhinestones. Okay, rhinestones, very specific ones from Hobby Lobby. Alright, and then we're also gonna use these heart silver rose buttons. Okay, and I'm gonna explain all of that later on in this video. We're also gonna use Fray blocks. This is very important. You need this for your straps. And last but not least, we're gonna be using some nail clippers. So now here is where we're going to use the Fray block, and you use this so that you can seal in the straps that you have just measured out for yourself. Make sure that they're an exact fit, okay? And this will help the fabric from shedding, and that's very important. Forward with the heart-shaped buttons, and first of all, I just want to point out these are not exactly the ones that she used. What she used was actually a pendant version of this, and they were a lot bigger, but these are almost identical in terms of the design, so that's why I'm using them. And we're going to be using the nail clippers to take off the backing of these buttons. And the reason we want to do that is because we want to convert these into flat backs. And once you do that, it will be a nice even surface, and you'll be able to easily glue them onto the bra. So once you have converted all of them into flat backs, now they're ready to be glued onto the bra. And make sure you kind of measure exactly where you're going to be putting the hearts, because it really depends on their cup size. And obviously you're going to be using 3 of them per cup, in total of 6 buttons, and you'll be able to see exactly how I'm doing it here. And here is the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I think that this is really easy to do, and if you can recall, she also used this version to later alter it for her 1993 Houston Astrodome performance. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a video with that. Again, I'll see you guys next time.